Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging Magazine at Productronica India 2025, and I'm here with Mr. Patel from Krypton Solutions. So, sir, you're CEO of a multinational business. You have manufacturing in US and manufacturing in India. Perhaps you can tell us how much is growing and how much is changing.
Sure. Currently we occupy just over 45,000 square feet, and we are expanding that to another 45,000. So it'll be 90,000, and we're also going to construct another 90,000. So our operations in Plano, Texas, just north of Dallas, will have a significant growth in the next 12 months to 18 months. So the construction will take possibly about a year and a half, but after that, we'll have a very substantial space to operate from.
Yeah, that's dramatic growth in a short time.
It is. We have a lot of significant customers in the U.S., and they're growing exponentially to put us in a place where we're, going into. So we're looking forward to the challenge. It's not going to be easy, but we never do anything that's easy anyway. We're looking forward to the challenges ahead.
Yeah, I think easy left our industry a long time ago.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, there are a lot of demands. Customers have new technologies, new processes, so much of it, you got to develop ways of satisfying their requirements. So you come up with new solutions, new methods, and we've been in this business 25 years. So we feel that we have the confidence, we have the knowledge base to do what we have to do, give the customer the solutions to some of their challenges.
So you have this huge thing happening in the US, but you're here with us in India.
That's
so
right.
Why are you here?
So we also have a sizable operations here in Bangalore. We started in 2019, our operations in Electronic City Phase 2. And 3 years later, roughly, we purchased our own building, 65,000 square feet, and completely gutted it, made it into an EMS company where today we have six lines. 4 of them are high speed, 2 are prototyping, NPIs. We project ourselves as an engineering company more than anything. We're not into the mass production side of things, but we can do here in India low volume, mid volume, which we do successfully. So the basis is that we are highly connected to a lot of the tier 1 global companies, and so that gives us the platform to do what we do.
Yeah, it's good to have a company who's looking at, let's call it the low volume, the mid volume, probably the higher technology stuff, the NPI, and all the what I would call pre-production.
That's correct. Yeah, I mean the company's reputation is built around the rapid prototyping, engineering. We have a lot of ability to help the customer develop products, whether it's a semiconductor space or even at product base. Yeah. Mainly a lot of these folks are, I would call industrial rather than consumer products. And it's a very high technology applications, aerospace, space. We've built our market space in that environment. So we do very well from it.
Yeah, and it's probably as competitive as the other spaces as well. But if you can do a good job, at least you have good relationships with your customers.
Yeah, of course. Like I said earlier, we don't do things because it's easy. We do things because we know we can challenge ourselves, and at the same time give our customers hopefully the services quality that they thrive on, because ultimately a lot of these customers are not patient customers. They need results and they need it fast.
Yeah.
And we're here to fill that space.
Yeah. So you have the strength in engineering and development as well as manufacturing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We are capable from turnkey, meaning from the start point. It can give us schematics, or we can even create engineering, create the product schematics, layout, EMS, test, box build, and final shipping. So we have the ecosystem to do all of it in-house.
Yeah. So complete solution with really strong customer support and development support all the way through from the beginning to the end of the system.
That's we pride ourselves on it, and we do it. I would like to think very well.
Yeah, and obviously from the way your businesses are growing, you have to be very successful in doing it, and customers have to be coming back.
Yeah, of course. Look, this industry, as I said, is a tough industry, and quality is everything. Customers, in some cases, don't have an issue when it comes to pricing. And I'm not saying that literally, but the fact is that they need product, quickly, and they need it at the best quality, right? Because time to market is everything for them. So we are here that we are challenged, and we can successfully deliver on a lot of those promises.
Yeah, and it's not only time to market, but it's the quality that you deliver at the time as well.
And we never really worry about price, in the sense that we take full responsibility. We are a company that doesn't walk away from the customer. If there is any issues, even if it's design issues, sometimes you can't get it right the first time. But we are here to support them in any way possible. It's not about the money. Whatever it takes to get that product for them on the market, we are here to support those endeavors.
Well, thank you for sharing with us this afternoon, sir. It's
Very good.
Really good to hear another success story, and also a success story in the US as well as from India.
India is, for us, it's a very unique dynamic. Earlier, I think we just touched on it. We're not per se from India, in the sense we were not born here. Yep. Grandfather, he left in the early 30s, went to Africa, settled in Kenya, and subsequently my parents. But all my forefathers, my grandparents, my parents were all born in India, left India in the 30s, 40s. And we went from there to the UK, and from UK we went to the US, and now we're just completing that circle, what my grandfather left behind, almost 90 years later. So we are very proud to be here, to fulfill. It's a dream. What they left behind. We're here to now complete that circle, and we're very happy that we've been given this opportunity. So we look forward to expanding our growth in India in the coming years.
Well, that's wonderful, sir. And as I say, thank you for sharing with us today.
Sure.
And that's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging Magazine at Productronica India 2025, saying thank you for watching.
NMT Automation introduces the Mark series for uniform and precise laser marking. The Mark I, with a single laser source, ensures high accuracy marking on a single stage conveyor system. Meanwhile, the Mark II delivers laser marking with a flipper for both sides of the PCB, offering flexibility, efficiency, and superior quality for all your traceability needs in the electronics manufacturing industry.